I'm Nero at Titan Motorsports. We're pretty excited to announce that we have this 100 kW system that we just got installed with Switch Solar. Everything went smooth, professional from the beginning on the permits all the way to the installation, the professionalism of the electricians and the staff that Switch Solar have. We're nothing but top notch. We're really excited to not pay an electric bill.
Solar for commercial business is a no-brainer decision. Tax incentive, pricing, financial options are just great reasons to switch to solar with us. We are glad on this project, but I hope many businesses in the future enjoy the technology and savings.